J'ai pas d'intro. Enfin si, j'avais un petit truc à dire, c'est que je suis tombée malencontreusement sur les prochains titres. Et il y avait un des titres qui s'intitulait I Am the Monster. Déjà, on sait très bien de quel monster il parle. Oui, bonjour. Mais ensuite, ça m'a rendu très triste parce que j'ai réalisé qu'il y avait plusieurs fois ce genre de titre. Genre I am my mom, I am my dad, I am... Il n'y a jamais eu I am Steven Universe. Et c'est très badant. Donc je ne sais pas quand est-ce que cet épisode sort. Voilà, j'aurai la surprise en voyant. Mais en attendant, voilà, je ne sais pas ce qu'il va se passer. Et maintenant, on est né à l'épisode 13 et 14, qui sont sortis le vendredi 13. Coïncidence? Oui, totalement, faut se calmer. And it's right. Together forever? Oh no. Oh no.
Wow, Connie.
I hate this.
Study breaks are so short.
I know, right?
Oh, hold on, Connie. You left this brochure at my place last time, but you'll let me know when you want to hang, right?
Of course, silly.
That's really far.
Oh non, non, je le savais. Oh, he's heavy. Oh bah oui, il est heavy.
You're still home?
I got split.
I'm so sorry, Stephen. I'm running late to my lecture on alternate timelines. Have a nice day with the Scouts, beautiful. Hey, Sapphire's got her thing, but you can still talk to old Ruby.
Oh mon dieu, Garnet!
Draw it with your heart.
Oh mon dieu, Ruby!
You have the honor of receiving this major sketching badge. Let's go.
I want to stay with her like you and Sapphire. Wait, all I want to do is be with Connie. So maybe that means that Connie is my future.
Stephen, propose.
What? Propose? Well, Ruby, I'm not sure this is.
Don't say you haven't thought about it.
Of course I have.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Ah,
Proposal If you're not so sure. And finally, multiplied by the robustness of your life plans. Are you following so far?
No?
We can write equations in the sand all day, but a wave of chance can just come crashing in and wash it all away. Love.
c'est beau!
It's do it. Do it.
Yeah. All right, friends. Take a good look at this guy while you can, because today may be his last day as Stephen Quartz Cutie Pie DeMeo Diamond Universe.
Je sais pas pourquoi j'ai peur. Est-ce qu'il a réalisé quand même que ça veut dire qu'il quittera Beach City? En plus, il peut très bien se dépêcher d'aller la voir avec Lion.
You mean when you were trying to ride your bike on the sand and you ran away screaming?
Yeah, exactly. I was trying everything to get your attention.
This is so cute.
Connie, there's something very important that I want to say to you today. I'd rather be tall, I'd rather be smart, I'd rather be sure you know I care. Wherever you go, whatever you start, I'd rather be sure you know I'm there to say I know I'll be.
Oh!
I know your entire syllabus. I can't think of any other thing in the world I would rather do if I could be. I'd rather be me with you.
Ils sont tellement beaux.
Stephen?
Connie, will you marry me?
What?
Let's get married and live as Stefani.
What?
I know you might think I'm being sentimental, but this makes sense. For example, I don't know what you've been studying, but Stefani does. We can go to college together.
Stephen, come on. We're really young.
You don't want to be Stefani with me?
Of course I do. But I want to be my own person, too.
Well, yeah, but is it a no?
It's a not now, Stephen.
But if we're sure that we're going to spend our lives together, why not say it now?
We've got plenty of time. Don't worry.
I'm not worried. I'm just happy to be with you. That's all.
I'm happy to be with you, too. It's just that... Oh no, my alarm! Forget studying right now. It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does. Ruby and Sapphire said I should go for it.
You can't trust love advice from those two hopeless romantics.
Then why didn't you stop me?
There was no future where you didn't propose to Connie.
Of course.
Ruby and Sapphire love being together, but they each have their own individual lives.
Ça, c'est
Whatever
beau.
hole there is in your life, Stephen, I want you to understand that Connie Stevani won't be able to fill it.
Right.
I hate to say it, but this is kind of your fault for being so perfect.
I know you're upset, Stephen.
Well, maybe shoving this adorable cake in my face will make me feel better.
Growing pains. Perfect. Yeah, great. Best way to follow this episode. Oof.
I now pronounce you man and wolf.
What?
Everyone's getting married but me.
Hey, Steven.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, guess what? The tour's been extended.
You.
That's great.
Are you there?
Hey, Connie, what's up?
Steven, I've been worried about you. Are you glowing?
Yes, that's a new thing.
What's happening to your face?
Why? What's wrong with my face?
Steven, you need to see a medical professional.
Right. Okay.
Finally, someone said it.
Today.
Blood pressure is high.
I've never been to the doctor before.
You're 16 years old and you've never been to the doctor? It's okay. It's okay. I'll have a talk with your father later. We'll just need to run some more tests.
One of those blue things that doesn't cover your butt?
Yes. Now let's get started. This is a typical human skeleton. Now, a couple of months ago, Garnet, Amethyst, and Pearl allowed me to x-ray them for research purposes.
They
Their
don't have a
shots look
skeleton.
like this. Only their gems appear on a radiograph. And this is your chart. Definitely a human skeleton. There's a clear history of numerous fractures, like here on the skull. Everything is perfectly aligned. It almost looks as if the bones healed themselves the instant the injuries occurred.
That's good, right?
Well, you seem to have made a series of miraculous recoveries, but that doesn't change the fact that you experienced trauma. You've recovered physically, but have you recovered mentally?
You think there's something wrong with my
Yes,
brain?
finally.
Childhood trauma can have a lasting impact on how your body responds to stress. This can affect your social, emotional, and physical development. When humans are in crisis, the brain releases the hormone cortisol. Your heart races, your muscles tense. I wonder if your body is reacting to a gem equivalent of cortisol. Stephen, do you remember anything bad in your childhood that particularly stuck with you?
I guess I kind of freaked out when they canceled my favorite ice cream. And then I got attacked by a giant bug monster. And I got trapped in a bubble and almost drowned. I lost control of my body and turned into a blob of cats. I almost turned so old I died. Amethyst almost died. Pearl did die. Garnet got destabilized right in front of me. I woke up with a black eye imprisoned on a spaceship.
Stephen, this is serious.
But that was just the early stuff.
I think all these experiences have been subjecting your body to a harmful amount of stress, and that's affecting your ability to respond to new forms of stress.
Oh my god, they made it.
You've been dealing with genuine threats from such a young age. Your body is now responding to minor threats as if your life were in danger.
But why am I only swelling up now? It's not your fault. I think I just need you to leave.
This is a medical emergency. I am not leaving.
Mom, us being here is making it worse.
Oh no. Please, just go.
Steven!
I can't be around you right now. I'm here. You were busy and
Oh,
I didn't know
ils ont
what was
montré
going on.
tous
Come
les
on,
flashbacks.
Steven.
Ok.
Talk to me. I proposed to Connie. You what? She said no. Oh, Steven. My body, it's reacting like it's the end of the world. I think I've seen the world almost end so many times now that everything that goes wrong feels that extreme. I should be feeling so good these days. The Earth is safe. It's Era 3. But I'm swelling up over these third-era problems. What do I do? How do I move on from all the stuff I've been through? How do I live life if it always feels like I'm about to die? It's gonna be all right, Stewball. I'm here for you. I want to go home. Cut yourself some slack. It's okay to be worried and make some mistakes when you're figuring out what to do with your life. That's not unusual. Well, the magic swelling is a little unusual, but that's okay too. If you want to be a giant boy, we can use the car wash as a shower. Dad, your tour! I've ruined your... Don't worry about me. Just get some rest, kiddo. You don't have to solve all your problems in one night. Yeah. Thanks, Dad.
Oh, merci Greg. Oh, well. Ah, je comprends maintenant pourquoi Zach pleurait. Oh non. Oh, mais c'est tellement bien pour les enfants et pour les grandes personnes qui vivent ce genre de choses. Waouh. Oh, comment ça va finir ça?